Assalamualaikum dear students. Today is the 4th May SVT lecture of chemistry for grade 8, which is question number 5. Define matter. Explain three states of matter with example. Taking water as a reference. In question number 5 you have to define matter and explain three states of matter with the example. Give heading of answer, then give heading of matter. Look at the definition. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. As we know that all the substances in the universe is matter, because all the substances occupy space and has mass. The food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, the pen we use to write, the book we read, the chair we used to sit, all these substances are matter. Because all these substances occupy space and has mass, our bodies also matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. Number first is solid, and these are the properties of solid. Solid have a definite shape and volume. It's mean that the shape and volume of solid are fixed. It cannot be changed. Number second is particles. The particles of solid are packed close together. As we know that matter is made up of smallest particle, which we called atom. The atom of solid are packed close together like this. There is no free space between these particles. Number third is forces. Attractive forces between the particles are very strong. The forces between these particles are very strong. That's why the particles are packed close together and it have a definite shape and volume. There is no free space between these particles. Now last one heading is density. Solid have high density. Density mean weight. It's mean that the solid are heavy in weight. Example, we will take the water as an example, because water is the only substance which exists in all three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Now ice is the solid state of water. At 0 degrees centigrade water freezes into ice. As we know that usually water exists in liquid state, but at 0 degrees centigrade water freezes into ice, because at 0 degrees centigrade the molecules of water loses energy. It come closer together, and the particles of the water molecules at 0 degrees centigrade packed close together. That's why it converted into solid state of matter. Now number second one is liquid. Shape and volume. Liquid have a definite volume but definite shape. It's mean that the volume of liquid is fixed. It cannot be changed, but its shape can be changed. For example, if we take 1 liter of water in a bottle, then it will remain 1 liter. If I pour this 1 liter of water into another jar like jug, then it will remain 1 liter. It will not increase or decrease its volume, but it have indefinite shape. It will change its shape. When it is in bottle, it will take the shape of the bottle. When I pour this water into a jug, it will take the shape of the jug. Particles. The particles of liquid are close together. These are the arrangement of particles in liquid. These are close together, not packed close together. There is a little bit free space between these particles. Why? Because the attractive forces are quite strong. These attractive forces are are strong, but not that much as in solid. Liquid have a medium density. These are the density is medium. Now example, water is usually a liquid. At room temperature, we know that water exists in liquid state. In the form in our it is form in it is found in river, ocean, seas, lakes, etc. Now the last one is gas. Number first heading is shape and volume. As we know that gases have indefinite volume and shape. If we fill 1 kg of gas in a cylinder, then it will occupy all the available space in a cylinder. That's why it has an indefinite shape and volume. Particles of gases are very far apart. These are the arrangement of particles of gases. These are very far apart from each other. There is a lot of space between the particles. Forces between the particles are very weak. It's mean that the attractive forces between these particles are very weak. That's why these are very far apart from each other. As the particles are very far apart from each other, that's why they have very low density. They are very light in weight. Like we fill a gas in a balloon, then the balloon are very light, because the density of gases are very low. Now example, steam is the example of water in gaseous state. At 100 degrees centigrade, water evaporates and turns into a gas. When we boil water, and we give a temperature of 100 degree centigrade, then the water molecules gain energy, and when these molecules gain energy, then it will start colliding with each other and with the wall of the container. And when the particles are moved away from each other, then the liquid state of water is converted into a gaseous state, which we call a steam. Thank you.